Let's face it, Google Page Speed Insights can be really tough. If your WordPress theme is heavy and bloated, getting that perfect grid score is almost impossible. A slow website does not just look bad, it also hurts your ranking on Google and drives your visitor away. But getting a perfect 100 out of 100 score is not about luck. It is simply about building your site on a clean, light-weighted foundation. I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step plan to clean up your site, pick the right theme, and lock in the fastest speeds. First, we need to clear out all the clutter on your server before we even look at new theme. Go to your WordPress dashboard, open up Appearance, and click on Themes. Delete every single theme you are not using, except for one default layout. Keep as a backup helper. Next, take a hard look at your active plugins. Turn off and completely delete any plugin that is not absolutely necessary to run your website. Every single extra plugin acts like heavyweight, making your database work harder and dragging down your loading speed. Second, the biggest secret to a fastest website is starting with a very tiny file size. Go to Themes, click Add New, and search for the theme built only for speed, like WordPress, Astra, or Cadence. A completely fresh install of this theme is actually under 50 kilobytes total. To put that in perspective, that is just a tiny fraction of a single normal picture on a web page. As soon as you click Activate, you instantly swap out messy, heavy code for an ultra clean foundation. Third, if you want to keep that perfect 100 score, you need to stop using heavy old school page builders. Those big page builders add a massive amount of messy, unneeded code to your pages. Instead, use the normal built-in WordPress block editor, which is also called Gutenberg. If you need more design options, just add lightweight performance blocks like generate blocks or cadence blocks. They keep your code clean and simple, making it incredibly easy for Google to read your site without slowing down. Fourth, even fast theme needs the right settings to reach its absolute top speed. You will want to install a reliable speed plugin like WP Rocket or Lightspeed Cache. Inside the settings, turn on file minification to shrink your code file and make them smaller. Make sure to turn on lazy loading so your pictures only download when the user scrolls down to see them. Finally, set up a content delivery network or CDN to serve your website files from servers closest to where your visitors live. If you follow this simple guide step by step, you will easily push your site into top green zone on page speeds insights. If this guide helped you, please click that like button, share this video with others, and leave a comment below with your new speed scores. Also, if you want to skip the high retail prices and get fully licensed premium WordPress themes and tools for a very low cost, make sure to check out the secure link pinned in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.